If I get reincarnated, I wanna become a clam. I have nakama who are not strong. But I still want them to be with me. So, I have to be stronger than anybody else, or else I'll lose them all. If you ask this old man anything about it here and now, then I'll quit being a pirate. I don't want to go on a boring adventure like that. We already came this far. Anyway, we're gonna save you. And then, if you still want to die, you can die after we save you. Don't you dare make my navigator cry.
I don't care who you are. I will surpass you. I've set myself to become the king of the pirates, and if I die trying, then at least I tried. If you want to compare ambitions, mine is bigger. No matter how hard or how impossible it is, never lose sight of your goal. You came without fear, don't have any regrets, no matter what happens. This is the duel you wanted. Nayday, I'll have a ship and a crew better than yours. And we'll have the biggest hoard of treasure in the world.